adventure.
inTech. These are the all aluminum. Am I right? Is that all aluminum?
All of them. It's welded aluminum. These are the frames.
Oh, okay. So this is the black wing. Wasn't this the bigger one?
It's the toy house.
Ooh, look at that fireplace. This is nice.
Yeah, but there's one drawback though.
What? Oh, wet bath. Oh, yeah, wet bath. But I mean,
But you got a mirror.
yeah.
It's almost space age with the way the door is built. You gotta step into it.
There's a Happy Jack bed with another one.
So, ideally, 1 or 2,
Mm-hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Very sleek, like with the cabinets and stuff. Very fancy. That's your Tampa pricing.
One I saw that I wanted, but it was called a Sycamore or something. I think it might be that one.
Is that one down there?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
Got a magnet there.
Oh, this is a bunk.
Yeah, this is the one I was thinking of. So it could do 2 things, though. Here's the deal. Look at this.
Desk.
You got a full desk here, so you could sit there, work. I think this slides out. Yeah, so there's your work desk. Or when you're not working, this folds down, comes out here, and then this bed comes down like that. And you can do that one-handed.
Wow.
I just did it one-handed. Like you have a regular shower in there?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the one where it's another door. Yeah.
Kind of like sauna looking.
Mm-hmm. But you don't have a curtain. You actually have a
door.
You are closed
Yeah.
in the shower.
Yeah.
It's almost like if the Airstream was brought into the future. Is kind of the vibe you get, because it's that retro feel, but it's very sleek.
Futuristic, like.
Yeah. And that's just a magnet holding that. And it's separated, then you got overhead up here. Oh, there's your control panel. Inverter comes with, okay. There's your fuse box. I'm guessing that's probably storage, yep.
There's a shelf there.
Garbage, stovetop, storage down there.
There's a table there.
Yeah, so I guess you could probably drop that
Yeah.
here.
Did you guys see how the sofa turns into a bed?
I
wow.
noticed,
Oh.
I didn't see how, but I saw that it did.
Let's pull this out.
Now that's the way to do it.
Mm-hmm. Or a footrest.
Pull on that little strap. Then pop right out and seat right on top. There you go.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And how wide is this?
8 feet.
8, I was gonna say. There's no slide,
Yeah, no slide.
Mhm.
but you can walk. I mean,
But
two
with
people can walk
this
through.
in, 2 people can walk through,
Well,
whereas.
even with this out, someone could walk from here
Yeah.
over to the bathroom with no problem. You're not stepping
Slide-
over somebody.
Slide this back. And you can use your table right here for your dinette. Put that one so it turns it into a little L-shaped dinette. This one will go. And then you have your dinette. It goes right here.
Oh, okay.
Make sure I got it. Okay, so then you can sit here, here. This is a great use of space.
Yeah.
And did you see the bunkhouse turns into a bunk bed and you have a work desk?
Yeah.
Okay, did you fold it down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one, that's really neat.
Yeah.
We're at that almost empty nester stage, but not quite. And
Mm-hmm.
I love that window in the front.
So you got hanging storage there. Overhead here, and they've got the friction pistons there, so it'll hold.
Oh.
But it won't
Imagine
slam
it being
shut.
like a starry night and lots of drawers.
Barn door. Here. TV on a swivel. It's got, oh, this is neat. This is your ducted AC.
Oh, that is.
Because you shut this off here, and instead of going through the ducts in the ceiling, they just drop the ceiling in the living area. This is nice. And then you got 12 volt on either side. Storage underneath.
Oh, even better.
With your, so all the power's right here. You don't have to go outside and get to it. The headboard is padded. You got cup holders on either side, nightstand across the back and on the sides.
That's nice.
Outdoor kitchen. So it's not a refrigerator, it's a cooler.
No, these are refrigerators.
It's an electric cooler is what it is. Utensil holder. Quick little extend there. That's running on the battery. It's not even plugged in.
Yeah, nothing's plugged in.
There's your water cupboard, water intake. Okay, so there is a pass through here. It doesn't take up a ton of space. Propane's probably in there if I had to guess.
What do y'all think?
That is nice. That's nice. Solid steps. Yeah, I like this.